Hello friends, today's topic 10 stocks which have appreciated the most in the last 5 years. A report. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society. Motilal Oswal does a wealth creation study every year to find out which are the stocks which have created maximum wealth for shareholders for the last 5 years. It aims to also find out the common characteristics of successful stocks so that investors can study further about such aspects. Study results will be announced soon after the time of the shooting of this video. As a preliminary information, we are presenting some for the future study. The following are the biggest wealth creators and most consistent wealth creators for the last 5 years from 2018 to 2023. 10 biggest wealth creators 2018 to 23 in terms of total market cap increase. Reliance Industries market cap increase 22% in 5 years. TCS market cap increase 18%. ICICI Bank every year increase CAGR 26%. Infosys 20%. Bharti Airtel 16%. HUL 14%. SBI gone up by 16% CAGR every year. Bajaj Finance 26%. Adani Enterprises 78%. HCL Tech 18%. The following is a list of 10 most consistent wealth creators. Motilal Oswal has compiled this list on the basis of some parameters such as market capitalization, etc. It does not include extremely small companies. Now, 10 most consistent wealth creators in terms of highest CAGR. Capri Global CAGR improvement 2018 to 23 50%. 2. Varun Beverages 50%. 3. Grindwell Norton 30%. 4. ICICI Bank 26%. 5. Adani Enterprises 78%. 6. Tube Investments 63%. 7. Linde India 56%. 8. Adani Power 52%. 9. JB Chemicals 45%. 10. SRF 44%. Here is an announcement regarding our free webinar. Large number of people, number around 150 to 200, have sent us email asking us for the details of the next stock market secret seminar, and that's happening on Sunday 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. 17 December. Cost of the webinar is 499, but for the first 75 participants it's absolutely free. Dr. Bharath Chandra graduates need not apply for this webinar, and the seats are limited to the first 150. When Dr. Bharath Chandra does any webinar, the normal crowd is anywhere from 300 to 600, and hence only on first come first serve basis we are going to select the first 150 people. What are you going to learn? How profitable stock markets are in the long term and short term. Large number of people think that stock markets are always lost. Now already for the last 1 month you have seen how the stocks are zooming, and in case you are not going to invest, later you are going to repent, because when you look at the rate 1 month earlier and now, so the difference of more than 5 to 15% in individual stocks. Now coming to basic fundamental analysis, by learning which you can invest for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 years, and by investing only 3, 5, 10 or even 15,000 rupees a month, and that money that is almost you can neglect, and by that money you're going to earn huge amount of wealth for creating your retirement corpus, children education and marriage, and then finally a retirement home at the end probably. By learning technical analysis, you can earn few thousands extra apart from salary, by which you can improve your lifestyle. Maybe you can buy a new mobile this month and you can go for a picnic, or you can buy clothes for the whole family, etc. And then large number of people feel pretending that they have made a mistake by attending the webinar very late. How to register is very simple. Send an email to successdigest@gmail.com. with an email subject Kannada webinar with your name and mobile number. And I invite you for this Kannada webinar on this Sunday without fail. Now coming back to the topic of the video, if possible, we'll make another video in the next 1 to 2 days with some more details to wealth creation study by Motilal Oswal. Make sure to watch the video since it will provide a lot of information for you to learn and research about long-term investing. End of the video, here is a question. Which of these brands is owned by Wipro's Consumer Care Division? The four choices are Santur, Lifebuoy, Dettol and Dove. Write the correct answer in the chat box. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.